Hey guys, well, that's where we're at in the car everybody hates. So my battery was bad. I had it tested, and this is the freaking one I gotta fit. Weird. It's the only thing about this car. Yep, look at that. That's the whole thing here, right there, the vent, because the battery being in the trunk. So I had bought a Group 34 battery, but didn't fit the holder right, and I had this little block of wood in there, and there was no vent. I thought, that's not a real good idea. Let's get the right battery. So I called Interstate this morning, and I just drove up here. Said they had it in stock on their website, so I trusted that. So here we go. Just putting the battery back in. Alrighty. So there we go. See, this is an H6R. It wasn't cheap. What do you want? What do you want? Alright, I'll pull this thing out of here. So that's what we're doing. Pull that thing out of there. Two tools here. No big deal. 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Okay. Yep. There we go. Put that in there. A little bit of trouble getting that started. Hard to work one-handed. I can try to give you guys a good shot. Well, I'm trying. I'm trying. There you go. There we go. There we go. That's in. That's in. Okay. Yep, shaky the cameraman here. Sorry, guys. Very focused, very good. Focus. I gotta get a better camera. I thought this one was actually decent. Okay. Sure, that's tight. That's tight. Okay. Put the 12 millimeter back. Okay. Alrighty. Hook up the negative. Yep. What am I doing here? Hook up the negative. Okay. Squeeze that in there. Pop that up. Squeeze that in there. Pop that up. Hook up the positive. I'll work one-handed here. Sorry. There we go. Pop. Okay, now there was a little sensor over here somewhere. Where was that sensor wire? Where is it? Sorry, guys. There it is. It's a little temperature sensor, I think. That slides onto there. That slides onto there. Alright, I have a hard time. I need light. I need a little bit of light here. Alright. Alright, that slides in there like that. There we go. Alright, that's in. Okay, so I just popped this cover in here. That's the one you do to. That's the one you. That's the cover you use to check your tail, change your tail light bulbs, but I found it easier grabbing there. Okay, so that's that. Okay, I think we're done. And just put this cover back on. Just pop them in there. There we go. All done. Alright, guys. That's how you install a battery, you know. Sonata hybrid. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that. Beautiful day again. So, alrighty. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.